In this example, we're given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, and we're asked to find out the lengths of sides C and Y. First off, we need to identify that side C, little c, is across from angle C, and that side Y is across from angle Y. Now, when verifying similar triangles, again, we can compare corresponding sides in the triangles, or we could take a look at individual sides and can compare the ratio of the sides within triangles to verify if triangles are in fact similar. In this case, we're given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, and we're going to use some of the properties of similar triangles to find out the lengths of unknown sides C and Y. So in similar triangles, the corresponding sides are in proportion or are proportional. So we have this situation where we have side AB, the ratio of it compared to side XY is going to be in proportion or the same proportion to side BC compared to YZ. And similarly, the third ratio of AC compared to XZ. Now we need to sub in the values or the unknowns that are given in the question. Knowing that side AB we'll call letter C, side AC is the value 20 millimeters, side BC is 35, and so on with the second triangle. Here are the values that we end up with. So we have this proportion of C over 44 equals 35 over 105, which equals 20 over Y. And again, check those values with the values that are given in the question. Now, we need to solve the proportions for the unknown sides, and we're going to take a look at letter C first. And we'll split this proportion up into smaller parts that we can use. So we're taking a look at this section of the proportion. And to solve for C, we need to use the procedure of cross multiplying. So we multiply C times 105 and 144 times 35, looking something like this. C times 105 is 105C, and 144 times 35 looks like this. We simplify this, gives us 105C equals 5040. And we need to divide both sides by 105, the number in front of C, to get C all by itself or isolated. So we have C equals 5040 divided by 105, which gives us 48 millimeters. Now, to solve for Y, we're going to take a look at this section of the proportion. Again, taking two of the ratios at a time. So we have the ratio 35 over 105 equal to 20 over Y. And again, we'll cross multiply to try and solve for Y. So we have 35 times Y is 35Y, and 20 times 105 looks like this. We'll simplify this. 20 times 105 is 2,100. And now we'll divide both sides by 35, giving you Y equals 60 millimeters. So therefore the length of side C is 4.8 centimeters or 48 millimeters, and the length of side Y is 6 centimeters or 60 millimeters.